Hey guys, tried to get this thing recording quicker, but I couldn't. I just took a trade here, AUD USD. Should have had entry right here, but price dropped very quickly. So I've got, let's see how many pips this was. 5.4. Okay, so here we are. We're in the trade, and this was a fresh signal, AUD USD. We have, we've got, what is this? Okay, hold on. Okay, all right, there we go. So we got 33 on the current time frame, 41 on 15, 60 on 30 minute, which kind of makes sense because prices come up so high. But on the USD side, we've got some nice low numbers here on the 5 and the 15 minute as well. So we just had, since kind of the beginning of the New York session, we had like a big push up, and now it's starting to pull back down right now. So that's why a lot of these are showing higher on the USD side, but we're good. Now on live mode, you can see all USD numbers are lower than 50. All AUD numbers are lower than 50 or right at it. So this looks good to me. Fresh Tvblast signal right here. So you can see that I took this alert directly off the list here. And I was looking at this one earlier as a reversal because we had these reversal dots come in, and I actually had it set up like this, and I closed this trade because I took it here and price pulled back, and then I was like, I got out the first chance that I could, and if I would not have, I would have just hit TP. So it was kind of one of those mornings. Same happened on GBPUSD, where I took the first signal here. Well, I got the signal here. By the time I looked at it, it had pulled back. So that just made my risk even smaller. So I set my stop loss 7.5 pips, and then price ended up pulling back to here. And when it pulled back down after this candle closed, I just, I was like, you know what? It didn't do what I expected to do. I closed the trade, and look at that. Right afterwards, we dropped down about 20 pips on a 7 pip um, setup. So, you know what? It happens, but it's all good. Didn't take any losses on either one of them. So you can see here, I got out about 125 bucks profit. I was just trying to cover fees on that. Did the same on USDCHF. Both ended up being good trades, but I stuck to my plan on it. And now we've got AUD USD. So I'm gonna hold on to this one. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to this one unless I see something change that I don't like, and we'll come back here in a sec. Hey, what's up, guys? Seen me just close the trade. Price came right down to my TP, and I went ahead and closed it out. So, ended up with a good win here on AUD USD. I was taking a couple screenshots to share in the group just so that I can kind of share with others, expectations while you're trading and what you're looking for. And I really do think that it's a valuable lesson that, the two trades I talked about earlier, this GBP USD I closed it because it didn't do this right here. Right, this is what it's supposed to do. I take my trade; it's supposed to go straight to TP. If it does not do that, you got to get out of your trades. And it's unfortunate when things like this happen, right? Where like price pulled back, right? I mean, it came within 2.5 pips of my stop loss, right? It pulled back, and a lot of traders, they would just start hoping, right? Whenever price starts to come here and they start to see a little bit of that profit, they see their screen go blue, they start saying, oh, you know what, maybe it'll work out, maybe it'll work out. Well, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. It did not do this, right? This is what it should look like. And same thing on USDCHF. I took the trade. Let me see. Um, I'm gonna just drag it on. That's crazy. I got out at exactly fees on this one. Like you can see, I just barely closed right at where my entry was. So this one, you can see prices had come down. I didn't enter right away, right? Like I just happened to be looking at this chart later and I seen, oh, okay, well, we got our bullish candle already, right? And that means that my stop loss would be here. I even took one extra step and made my setup down below the low of this candle, very on purpose. I took my trade, and you could see, you know, here. So this is actually what the setup should look like. It's a little bit bigger, which means that I would just oh shoot, my bad, you guys. I didn't realize that I had that up. So here's the trade right here. I fixed it. So, you know, this was the bullish candle here, and this is the reversal sign. I put my stop loss right down below here, as you can see, taking that one little extra step. And so we would actually just be getting close to TP. But the thing is, when I took the trade, it did go right up into profit, but then it came back down. It pulled back on me here, right? And so it did not go straight up like I like to see, right? Like this right here. See, this is the type of stuff I like to get into. All right. And so, you know, yeah, I closed the trades, ended up not getting the profit, and but I also didn't get losses, right? I didn't lose these trades. These could have been two losing trades right here had I, you know, held on to them and something else happened. And so, you know, if there's anything that you could take from the video is to stick to your plan. If you have a plan and you're expecting a certain thing, stick to it, because this is how you keep your losses smaller and your winners bigger, right? So that'll be it for me. I got my, after 3 attempts, I got my winner. It's Friday. I'm ready to stop trading. If I do see anything else pop up here on the market, I might make another video, or I might take another trade. It's about to be 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, so opening bell. So if I see something, I might start recording, and we'll go from there.